Hello everyone, we are back again to go over congruent triangles. So today we're talking about angle, angle, side, and angle, side, angle. Just close my door. So angle, angle, side is when I have two angles and a side that is not the included side of the triangle. So this is different than when we had two sides and one angle. Then it had to be the angle that was in between. This side does not have to be the angle that's in between. So which triangles can I prove congruent using angle, angle, side? So if I look at these, this triangle right here, the side that I know has the two angles on the end. Therefore, that is an included side. So that cannot be proven using angle, angle, side. The other two that I have can. So I would say, and I should circle, I should box that because that looks like the other one. So I'm going to say that these two blue ones can be proven, and therefore it would be triangle ANM is congruent to triangle. So AN is the one mark, and A is my congruent angle. So A goes with R, E, H. The next method I have is angle, side, angle. This is where the side is in between the two angles. So notice that the angles are on the ends of the congruent side that I have. So if I look at this example, what additional information would I need to prove these by angle, side, angle? So the angle I have is L, then I have the side LB. So the other angle I would need is angle B is congruent, and I have T is congruent to L, and TH is congruent to LB. So I would need to know angle H. And that would prove to me that triangle LBM, because I did one angle, congruent side to second angle, is congruent to angle T, or triangle, sorry, THO, because again, I did one mark, the congruent side to the two marks. Now we're going to tell if we can prove these congruent by angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side. So if I look at this first one, I cannot prove those congruent because I only know the right angles. So it's not possible. This one, I have to look at what they told me. They told me ST is parallel to VU. And I have a transversal here. So that would mean that this angle is congruent to this angle. Then I also know that SV is parallel to TU. And then that blue line is still a transversal. So that would mean this pink angle is congruent to this pink angle. So it's yes by angle, side, angle, because they share that blue side and they have angles on each end. Now to write the congruent statement, it would be triangle SVU, and then S is this pink angle, so it lines up with this pink angle down here, UTS. My U is writing very funny. Number 3, I have one angle, I have one side. Can I get another angle? Well, yes, I can get another angle because right here I have vertical angles. So these two, this angle is congruent to this angle. So that would be angle, angle, side. And that would be W goes with A. So triangle, W goes with A. Y goes with Y. And then X, Z. Number 4, Again, I have vertical angles. So that is yes by angle, angle, side. And it's triangle E goes with F, B, C, and FDC. On this one, if I know J is the midpoint, being the midpoint means that these two are congruent. However, this still cannot be proven congruent because I would have angle side side. And I can't have angle side side because that's a bad word and I can't write that on a math test. So it's not possible. Number 6, all I have is one side and one angle. So that's not possible. Number 7, I have a single angle and a single angle, a side that's included between my angles. So that is yes by angle, side, angle, and that is triangle TUV is congruent. T goes with W, U goes with X, Y. Number 8 looks a lot like number 2, except for I know nothing about the sides being parallel, so that is not possible. I only have 2 sides. And number 9, I have one angle, I have a side, and I know that these angles are vertical. So this is yes by angle, angle, side. So having 2 angles and a side always works. So that would be D goes with G, because those are labeled congruent. E goes with E. And then, of course, H and F. So mark what else I must know to have these congruent by angle, side, angle. So here I have, so think about it. Think about these 3, pause, and then come back. So when I look at number 10, it wants angle, side, angle. So I have angle, and then I have another angle. So I need the side that's in between. So I need to know that BC is congruent to EF. This one, they want me to do angle, angle, side. So that means I need another angle. So I actually have a couple of choices. I could say that angle G is congruent to angle J, or those would be here, or I could say that angle GKH is congruent to angle JHK. Both those answers would work. Number 12, in order to do angle, side, angle, I already know these 2 angles are congruent because they're vertical. So angle, side, angle means my side has to be included in my angles. So I would need to know angle L is congruent to angle P. And here's a great table for you to use. It gives me my different triangle methods. I have side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side. Now we're going to do this problem together. Actually, we'll do this problem together at the start of class tomorrow. If you have any questions, please bring them with you.